60 degree, this angle is also 60 degree. All are meeting at a common point O. So it is resting on one of its slant edges on the ground. So this is slant edge O and this point. So let us suppose that this is A, B, C, D. So this is A, B, C, D, and this is E. So it is resting on one of its slant edges. Let us suppose that it is resting on OD. So this is OD dash, C dash. In this way, it is resting on the slant edge, O dash, D dash. It means from the front, again, three faces, they are visible. So from the front, three faces, face number 1, face number 2, and face number 3. These three faces, they are visible. When we see this hexagonal pyramid from the top, this face is visible. Plus from the top, this face is visible as well as this face. So two faces, they are visible from the top. So here also you can see that two faces from the top, they are visible, as well as this hexagon is visible. This hexagon is visible. So first of all, you will draw this hexagon. In the second stage, you will draw the front view. And next, we have to satisfy one condition. It is resting on slant edge on its ground. So we choose this as the slant edge. It is not necessary that the third figure should start from here. You can put a gap over here and then start the third figure. So choose the point D dash, measure this length, the length of this slant edge O dash D dash, and mark the point O dash. Then you have to copy this figure on this one, or copy this figure on this one. So measure these angles. So measure the location of C. So find the location of C dash, B dash, A dash. So mark the point C dash, B dash, A dash. So in this way, we have copied this figure on this one. So up till here, we have drawn the three stages. Now draw the vertical projection of all these points. And then draw the horizontal projection of all these points. This is the horizontal projection of F. अब यहाँ क्या होगा? So you need to show all these points. This is A dash, B dash and F dash, C dash and E dash, and D dash. So this point is C dash, D dash. This is C dash and E dash. This is B dash and F dash, and this is A dash. So this is the horizontal projection of F, and this is the vertical projection of F. These 2 points, they intersect at F1. So this is the horizontal projection of E, and this is the vertical projection of E. They intersect at E1. In the same way, you will mark these points A1, B1, C1, and D1. Now, as we have seen that from the top, these two faces are visible. So these lines will be drawn as continuous line. Now from the top, this slant edge is not visible, as well as this slant edge is not visible. This face is visible. This hexagonal face is visible. So you will draw the hexagonal face. So in this way, we will draw the fourth figure also. This is the stage 4. Next condition is a plane containing that edge and the axis is perpendicular to HP and inclined at 45 degree to VP. A plane containing that edge. Edge कौन सा हो गया? So they are talking about O dash D dash. Now plane containing, plane इसको plane कहते हैं which has a length and width. A plane passes through OD. ये देखो ये OD है O1 D1. Imagine that there is one plane which passes through OD. Next condition is a plane containing that edge. That edge means O1 D1 which is resting on ground. And the axis perpendicular to HP and inclined at 45 degree to VP. In this condition, this plane is perpendicular to HP, but this plane is parallel to VP. Not what we have to do. Instead of parallel, we have to incline this plane at an angle of 45 degree to VP. So this thing is clear to all of you? Is this concept is clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
So instead of inclining this plane, what we'll do? We will use the auxiliary plane method. So auxiliary plane में क्या करते हैं? Instead of changing the position of this solid, we will change the position of a plane. So we assume a new plane x1, y1. Now this plane is inclined at 45 degree with this solid. Now draw the projections of all these points. Projections means this angle should be 90 degree. So after you have drawn all these projections, now we have to transfer the distances. So mark this point D. D lies on XY, therefore D lies on X1, Y1. Measure the distance of C dash from XY. So transfer this distance, ये C, वो ये distance आ गया. Measure the distance of B dash from XY. ये B dash from X1, Y1, same distance आ गया. Measure the distance of A dash from XY. ये A dash का X1, Y1 से new distance आ गया. So in this